Every year, millions of tons of waste overflow from city bins, harming public health and costing government millions. Green Globe transformed this crisis into opportunity, a digital ecosystem that connects citizens, governments, and recyclers in real time. Cities in developing countries face four major challenges: toxic exposure from unmanaged waste, lack of digital infrastructure for data-driven collection, low public awareness, and difficulty locating available bins in crowded areas.
These problems cost efficiency, health, and sustainability.
Green Globe is a data-driven mobile platform that digitizes municipal waste management. With IoT-powered smart bins and QR-based reportings, we connect municipal administrators, citizens, and recyclers in real time. The result? Faster collection, cleaner streets, and a measurable environmental impact.
This is our Smart Bins feature. Smart Bins are built with level sensor and those can be navigated on the map or our mobile application. Labels are notated with colors: green for empty bins, yellow for acceptable bins, and red for full and overflow bins. And also, for manual bin, we annotated with light blue color. And user can point to the nearest available bins in crowded area with a shortcut calculation. With a single scan or the QR code, people can report or send people to the municipal authorities whether the bins are overflowing, damaged, or odorous, and they can earn reward points for their responsibility. And the next feature is reward points with a community leaderboard. Citizens can earn reward points by collecting, grouping, selling different sources of waste, and reporting full or overflow bins, odorous bins, and damaged bins to the municipal government or responsible groups or a particular organization with a single QR code scan on our platform. In addition, anyone who participates or volunteers in environmental events can receive reward points, and reward points can be directly exchanged for cash or public commercial service charges such as bus ticket and mobile phone bill. Auctions feature enable commercial groups that operate on waste to buy on waste depending on weight, so that they can recycle and reuse items such as metal, glass, paper, cardboard, and plastic bottles. We also illustrate how people can recycle different sources of waste, such as plastic, electronic waste or e-waste, glass, paper, and cardboards. To educate people, our app also has educational articles and tips. People can read and attain knowledge to have an eco-friendly habit and take action by reading articles that are posted by authorized organizations or institutions.